down. I ride with the forklift. Make sure that the boom inside of the boom has grease, so that when the other section will get inside is easily, very easy. Okay guys, I'm doing the greasing. This is the forklift assist. It would be easy if you have forklift to assist the person doing the maintenance. So make sure guys that the crane is on outrigger. There, outrigger jack. And before doing the maintenance of the boom, we should have put the counterweight, 36 tons counterweight. It's the left side of the crane. So it's on outrigger. Tire totally off the ground. So the counterweight is attached there before bringing the boom down. This is T-Rex 160-2 2012 model. T-Rex Demag EC 160-2. Boom maintenance. My coworker is now switching on the operating cabin. Make sure that the outrigger is properly positioned there, and counterweight is fixed. Then bring the boom down before you start doing the maintenance of the boom. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day guys.